Today we will do the unboxing of the newest FENDI bag at Privé. In this bag by FENDI we find the certificate of the care instructions, which you can scan the QR to find the instructions of how to take care of the product and not ruin it. We have the dust bag printed with the FENDI logo, and most importantly we find this beautiful full grain leather bag with a metallic FENDI Roma logo in the front and completely clean on the back, with the stitches on the side, a zip that can be fully open on the side. There's the pockets written FENDI in small capitals on the inside of the bag, the zipper with the logo FF motif, and the leather logo made in Italy on the inside, as well as we find the proof of authenticity and the serial numbers of this bag. From Privé, we salute you with this wonderful bag, and you can get it at privé.fashion.